It is very important to read and understand all safety-related materials supplied by Torch-Rite Solutions and its suppliers before using the Safety Torch system. The Safety Torch system must be handled by a fully trained torch operator who understands the proper torch and gas safety requirements outlined by local, provincial, state, and federal guidelines, regulations, and laws. By following a few simple steps, you can quickly and safely set up your Safety Torch system, ensuring optimal safety and performance. Always refer to the user manuals provided or the QR code to access detailed instructions and safety guidelines. Secure the mounting bracket to the oxygen cylinder approximately 10 to 12 inches or 25 to 30 centimeters below the regulator using the strap. Alternatively, remove the strap and use the slots to fasten the bracket to any suitable vertical wall capable of holding 11 pounds or 5 kilograms. Ensure that the marking top on the mounting bracket is at the top when securing it to a cylinder or vertical surface. The sides of the enclosure are clearly marked for oxygen and fuel and are designated by in and out for appropriate hose connections. Attach the 4-foot supply hoses from the regulators to the corresponding fittings at the bottom of the enclosure labeled in and tighten using a wrench. Repeat this process for connecting the 25, 50, or 100-foot hose to the corresponding fittings at the bottom of the enclosure labeled out. Hand tighten the plug end of the control cord to the socket on the bottom of the Safety Torch enclosure. This location is clearly marked. The control cord plug and socket are keyed alike. Attach the hoses to the torch handle and tighten using a wrench. Then hand tighten the socket end of the control cord to the plug receptacle on the Safety Torch handle. Make sure that the emergency stop button on the enclosure is pushed in. This ensures that the system is turned off. Secure the appropriate torch attachment for cutting or welding to the torch handle, and as per the torch manufacturer's instructions. By following these steps, you can safely and efficiently set up your Safety Torch system. These instructions can also be accessed by scanning the QR code provided on the enclosure. Proper setup is essential for optimal safety and performance.